What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. We're gonna do our daily update on Jasmy. This is gonna be a rather quick video. We're up 5.1% at 2.3 cents, still above $1 billion market cap. Yesterday's video, we talked about the possible bottom coming in and the big reversal coming. All the indicators were primed and juiced, ready to rock and roll. And that's what we're gonna go over today. How are the indicators looking? Are we bouncing off some critical support area? And how much higher can this coin go before we hit some sort of main resistance? So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Jasmy. All right, everybody, as you can see, we are launching a coin on Solana soon. We're actually doing a giveaway on the Twitter right now, 1% of the supply. So if you like free stuff, check the links, go to the Twitter and see if you can get some free stuff. But let's get into Jasmy right here. We are still looking fantastic on the day chart, guys. We actually just crossed over bearish from bullish with this nice engulfing candle. And like I mentioned, since we had this huge drop right here, the largest drop Jasmy's ever had on the MACD, you can see every other one has been considerably smaller. So it's gearing up for that consolidation to the next explosive movement to the upside, in my personal opinion. Like I mentioned in the prior videos, you have the giant cup and handle on the weekly time frame. So the overall cup and handle pattern, I showed you guys a chart on the cup and handle pattern. We've gone over in depth what a cup and handle is, and the overall push for this next rally is going to be big. It's going to be big, guys. We've been consolidating for over a year. I see you guys in the comments, everyone's saying Jasmy's a scam and stuff like that. Jasmy's not a scam. Jasmy's going to be around for the long haul, and this giant cup and handle pattern is the reason why I've accumulated so much Jasmy. This thing is gearing up. It is. It's just the people who are doing the intraday swings, the 4 hour, the people who are trading the 4 hour and stuff like that, the paper hands who can't hold their bags more than 2 days, they're the ones that are complaining. But you diamond hand holders who can see the bigger picture here, you are definitely going to like the future of Jasmy's price movement. But right now, what we're currently looking for here on the short term from the high to the low is that support at the 236, which came up big. I drew a horizontal line on that several times, and you can see the prior price history around that area. It was a big resistance back here, it was resistance right here, it was support back here, it was a support right here. So there was no reason for us to break below that 2 cents. We did talk about the possible wick down to 1.7. We wicked down to 1.8, so I almost got a win there. But nonetheless, everything's looking great on the day chart. I think the bottom's going to be in here. And when will we start running? Well, first things first, we have to break out of the downtrend, right? So we're at that critical support area. You have your downtrend right here. So I think this current rally that we're in right now on Jasmy isn't done yet. I think Jasmy is going to continue running to the upside, at least up to this downtrend resistance area at about 2.5 cents. So I think Jasmy, from where we're currently at, is at least going up to 2.5, another 18% possibly, to test this downtrend resistance area. And then once we test that downtrend resistance area, that's when we really have to keep a close eye on it, because once we break out from there, that's when it's to infinity and beyond. We can start seeing that next leg up for Jasmy. So in my personal opinion, I don't think we're breaking below 2. On the day chart, can we wick below it in the intraday? Absolutely. But overall, momentum's looking great. Like I mentioned, all these indicators are primed. The MACD flipped bullish. The RSI put in a higher low. The WTX bounced off its local support area, putting in a higher low. I believe we actually broke out on the WTX too, if I'm not mistaken. From steep downtrend resistance, yeah, we broke out of that steep downtrend, so we broke out there for Jasmy, and I think we broke out here as well. Yeah, we broke. Oh, we're back in. Yeah, we're back in it. So that's going to be that confirmation above 2.5. Once the RSI breaks above that, it's going to confirm that 2.5, and then we'll be off to the races. The big thing here on the day chart that I love to see, stock RSI blue is over the orange, and it's starting to take off. That's showing the overall momentum is going bullish here, guys. So just hold tight, hold tight. It's going to be a lot sooner than you think, I think, before we start seeing that big push. You know, bottom to top right here, the next heavy resistance area is obviously the prior highs that we experienced. You have the high in 2022 right here at 5 cents, and then we touched 5 cents here at the 618 before we got rejected. So that is the moon line. Overall, that's where I think we're going to be heading to in the next couple days to weeks. And then once we get up to that 5 cents, once you break above 5 cents, that's when the sky's the limit. That is pretty much the moon line. You get above 5 cents, Jasmy's going to start absolutely ripping. So I'm super stoked. The giant cup and handle pattern is an extremely bullish pattern. Go look it up. I already went over it several times. It's just now is the final showdown. We're at the support. The cup and handle pattern's at its final handle right now, and we just got to be patient. That's all. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.